Sugar, sugar.
I knew you were hiding somewhere.
The freaking wow. There we go.
Right.
This is so weird not driving my own car. Engine miss or whatever it is.
Probably have to take it in and get it repaired, right? It's all fire, but they won't be able to grab it today. Hear it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Can't go any higher than that. There's a miss in it.
Yeah, okay.
But we have to let it cool down, and then later on we'll have to check the oil.
Okay. Thanks for reminding me.
And you wipe it down.
Is moon coming out? I thought there was one coming out.
See?
Yeah, it's still on. I don't know how much you want to go up. Do you want to go all the way up or what?
Go up to 4,000. We'll keep going. Okay. Light's still on, right?
Yeah.
Turn it off.
Stand up. Stand up for a second. I'm not gonna do anything to you. Stand up for a second.
Yeah?
Get closer and try. You're stupider.
I thought you were the
You're
stupidest
stupidest.
human.
The dumbest thing I've ever seen in my life.
I thought you were a retarded panda at first.
Oh, I've got that feeling.
My friend. Ah!
I need to shoot you for my vlog. Come on. If you're gonna hit me. That was terrible.
That was.
Position, Christian. You missed completely and entirely.
Yeah.
You always hit yourself in the nuts with your own knee. Shoot me, don't be a... Hit my head. Where's it going now? Where's it going now? Aye? Where did you freaking shoot that time?
Oh.
What are you doing? I'm not, I haven't even moved.
That's true.
The truth is, on my planet, sniffing dirty clothes is
You smoot me, missed again. Guys, this is the first time I'm wearing pants in like 3 months, literally. I'm actually wearing pants or jeans.